Fall is the season when style comes alive. The air turns crisp, the layers come out, and every choice you make, from the jacket you grab to the shoes on your feet, says something about you. But here's the problem. A lot of guys over 40 stick to the same habits year-round. They keep wearing the same sneakers, the same jeans, the same lightweight belts, and wonder why their fall outfits feel flat. The truth? Autumn is your best opportunity to look sharp without trying hard, because the fabrics, the textures, and the colors of the season do half the work for you, if you use them right. Today I'm giving you 12 easy hacks to instantly upgrade your fall style. These aren't gimmicks or over-the-top trends. They're smart, subtle changes that make your outfits feel richer, more put together, and perfectly in step with the season. Whether you're heading to the office, a weekend dinner, or just out for a walk, these moves will have you looking like a man who understands style and knows how to make it work for him. Chapter 1. Swap summer sneakers for seasonal suede or leather. I get why a lot of guys keep wearing their bright white canvas sneakers into fall. They're comfortable, they go with everything, and they've been your go-to since the weather warmed up. But once the air turns crisp and the layers come out, those summer shoes start working against you. The problem isn't just color, though that's part of it. It's about weight and texture. Crisp white canvas feels light and airy, which is perfect with shorts and polos in July. But pair them with a wool overcoat or a flannel overshirt in October, and it's like wearing a linen shirt to a ski lodge. The season and the outfit aren't speaking the same language. This is the time to give your footwear some seasonal depth. So instead, swap those summer sneakers for shoes that carry a bit more visual weight. Suede trainers in warm tones like tobacco, snuff, or chocolate brown instantly add texture and blend with fall's richer palette. Chukka boots, especially in suede, hit the perfect balance between rugged and refined. And minimalist leather sneakers in deep navy or espresso keep things sleek without looking summery. Some of my favorites are the Common Project Suede Achilles Low in warm beige and the Suede Reverse Chukka boots that I linked in the description. Once you make this switch, your shoes will feel in sync with the season, and the rest of your outfit will follow. Chapter 2. Layer with an insulating vest or gilet. One of the biggest style mistakes I see in fall is guys jumping straight from a shirt to a heavy coat the moment the temperature dips. On paper, it makes sense. You're either warm enough without a jacket or bundled up when it's cold. But in reality, it leaves you with two extremes: shivering on a chilly morning or overheating by the time you walk indoors. The solution is a lightweight quilted gilet or vest worn under your jacket to bridge that gap perfectly. It adds just enough warmth to make a light jacket comfortable on a cold day. And when you layer it under a heavier coat, it gives you that extra insulation without the bulk of a thick sweater. The beauty of a mid-layer is that it's functional and stylish. It gives your outfit a subtle heritage outdoors edge. Think Bond in the Scottish Highlands or a classic country weekend look. Keep it tailored, lightweight, and in a versatile shade like navy, olive, or charcoal, so it layers seamlessly under everything from blazers to waxed jackets. I'm a big fan of the Rice Navy removable Gilet Safari jacket and the Patagonia Nano Puff vest. Both add warmth without feeling puffy. Trust me, once you start wearing them, you'll wonder how you ever managed fall without them. Chapter 3. Add a wool overshirt for in-between days. There's a reason the wool overshirt has become a staple in so many well-dressed men's wardrobes, especially once fall hits. It's the perfect in-between layer for those unpredictable days when it's too cold for just a shirt but too warm for a full coat. Without it, you're stuck making a choice between underdressing and freezing or overdressing and sweating. So get yourself a good overshirt that solves the problem instantly. It's warm enough to handle a crisp morning on its own, and when the temperature really drops, it layers perfectly under heavier outerwear without feeling bulky. The trick is to choose one that's tailored enough to look intentional but still relaxed enough for casual wear. Muted checks in olive, navy, or brown bring that rugged autumn feel, while solid earth tones give you maximum versatility. Pair it with a lightweight knit and dark denim for a smart casual look, or throw it over a Henley & Cords for a weekend outfit that feels effortless. One of my personal favorites is the Pendleton Lodge shirt, which nails that soft wool comfort with timeless patterns that aren't too loud. And yes, it's also linked down below in the description for you to go and check out. Once you start using an overshirt as your go-to mid-layer, you'll wonder how you went through fall without one. Chapter 4. Upgrade to a deeper, textured fall belt. Belts are one of those details most guys don't think twice about. You buy one, you wear it with everything, and it stays in rotation for years. The problem is the belt you've been wearing since summer might be quietly throwing off your entire fall outfit. Light tan leather or shiny black belts can clash hard with the deeper, richer tones of autumn. And because your belt sits right at your waist, it's one of the first visual breaks in your outfit. If it's too light or too stark, it cuts your frame in half and pulls the eye away from the overall look. The fix is simple. Go for belts with a bit more depth and texture. Think full-grain leather in chocolate brown, oxblood or chestnut, or a woven leather style that adds subtle interest. These shades blend seamlessly with seasonal footwear like brown boots or suede loafers, creating a cleaner, more cohesive line from head to toe. 2 I'd recommend: the Anderson's woven leather belt for a textured, versatile option, and the Allen Edmonds basic dress belt for something classic and timeless. Swap your summer belt for one of these and you'll be surprised how much sharper your entire outfit feels, just from changing a single accessory. Chapter 5. Switch accessories to seasonal fabrics. Most guys treat accessories like an afterthought. The same tie, the same hat, the same gloves, no matter the season. The trouble is, those year-round pieces don't always work with the richer textures and heavier fabrics that dominate fall style. A silk tie that looked sharp in summer suddenly feels too shiny against a flannel shirt or tweed jacket. A cotton baseball cap can look flimsy next to a wool overcoat. Even your gloves can feel out of place if they're thin leather while the rest of your outfit leans rugged and layered. This is where seasonal fabrics make all the difference. But the fix is easy, just swap out your silk ties for wool or Donegal tweed versions in muted patterns. Trade the cotton cap for a wool flat cap or beanie. Bring in gloves with a bit of texture, cashmere blends, suede, or knit accents that echo the season's feel. These small changes don't just add visual depth, they tie your whole outfit together so every element feels like it belongs in the same world. A couple of my go-tos: the Italian Donegal wool silk tie, subtle texture, versatile color, and the Barber wool flat cap for a touch of heritage style. Get your accessories in sync with fall, and the rest of your outfit instantly looks more intentional. Chapter 6. Use neckline layers to add depth. One of the easiest ways to make your fall outfits look more interesting is by paying attention to what's happening around your neckline. Too often I see guys throw on a crew neck sweater or pullover with nothing underneath, which leaves the look flat and one-dimensional. The neckline is prime real estate for adding depth and framing your face. When there's nothing there, no collar, no texture change, the outfit can feel unfinished, especially in a season built on layers. The fix is simple. Introduce a visible layer underneath. A button-down shirt under a crew neck lets a crisp collar peek out, instantly adding structure. A turtleneck under a jacket or overshirt brings in that sophisticated cold weather edge. Even a Henley under an open flannel adds just enough visual separation to keep things from looking plain. You don't need loud colors or patterns. Stick with neutral or muted shades that complement the rest of your outfit. The goal is to create contrast in texture and shape, not clash with what's on top. 2 combinations I reach for often: a white Oxford shirt under a navy merino crew neck, and a cream turtleneck like the one I linked in the description under a brown herringbone blazer. Both take seconds to put together but make the entire outfit feel more considered. Chapter 7. Trade baseball caps for wool or cashmere beanies. A baseball cap has its place. Weekend errands, the gym, maybe a casual coffee run. But once the temperatures drop and you're layering up in wool coats, flannels, and boots, that sporty cap can drag your entire look down into weekend casual territory. It's not just about warmth, though that matters too. A baseball cap throws a sharp contrast against the texture and refinement of most fall pieces. You could have a beautifully tailored overcoat and polished boots, but the cap signals off-duty in a way that undercuts the rest of the outfit. A better move for fall is to switch to a beanie in fine wool or cashmere. Not only does it actually keep your head warm, but it also works with the heavier fabrics and deeper tones of the season. Stick with neutral shades like charcoal, navy, or camel for maximum versatility, or go for muted earth tones if you want a bit of color without overpowering the rest of your look. I'm a big fan of the APC ribbed wool beanie for something sleek and minimal, and the Everlane cashmere beanie for a softer, more luxurious feel. Make this small swap, and suddenly your headwear will match the polish of the rest of your fall wardrobe. Chapter 8. Rotate in darker wash denim for fall. A good pair of jeans can work in every season, but not all washes belong in every season. I see a lot of guys holding onto their light or mid-wash denim all the way through fall. And while they might be comfortable, the look can feel off once the rest of your wardrobe shifts to heavier textures and richer colors. The problem is balance. Light washes tend to feel airy and casual, which works with polos and sneakers in summer. But put them next to a wool sweater, leather boots, and an overcoat, and they can look washed out, almost like the jeans were left behind from another outfit entirely. This is the season to bring in darker washes. A deep indigo or charcoal pair instantly feels more grounded and harmonizes with fall's deeper palette. They also tend to look sharper, which means they can swing from casual to smart casual without skipping a beat. 2 that I've had on heavy rotation are the Levi's 511 Slim Fit in rinsed indigo for an affordable, versatile option, and the Nudies Lean Dean black jeans for something a bit more refined. I went ahead and linked that last one for you to check out. It's down in the description. Make the swap, and you'll notice your denim starts working with your fall layers instead of against them. Chapter 9. Work corduroy into your outfit rotation. Corduroy has a bit of an image problem. For some guys, it brings back memories of stiff school pants or overly baggy trousers from decades past. but in reality, it's one of the most practical and stylish fabrics you can bring into your wardrobe once fall hits. Corduroy is warm, durable, and has a richness to its texture that plays beautifully with the season's other fabrics: wool, flannel, cashmere, suede. The subtle ridges catch the light differently than flat cotton or denim, giving your outfit depth without needing bold colors or patterns. The key is fit and cut. Slim, straight corduroy trousers in deep seasonal shades like olive, chocolate, or camel look modern and sharp. A corduroy trucker jacket in navy or rust adds a rugged, lived-in edge without feeling costumey. Avoid oversized, wide wale pieces that overwhelm your frame, and instead look for finer wales for a sleeker profile. Two I'd recommend are the Levi's XX Chino corduroy in earth tones for a clean, versatile trouser, and the Tailor Stitch Ojai corduroy jacket for a casual outer layer. Bring corduroy into rotation this fall, and you'll quickly see it's not a retro novelty, it's a seasonal workhorse that adds warmth and character to your style. Chapter 10. Match socks to your trousers for a cleaner look. Socks are one of those details that can quietly elevate an outfit or completely throw it off. I see a lot of guys use socks as a pop of color year-round. Neon stripes, loud patterns, novelty prints. And while that might feel playful in a layered, more refined fall outfit, it often ends up breaking the visual flow. Here's why it matters. When you sit, walk, or cross your legs, your socks become a visible bridge between your trousers and your shoes. If that bridge is jarringly different from both, it interrupts the clean line you've built with the rest of your look. In fall, when outfits lean richer and more textured, that disruption feels even more out of place. The fix is so simple, just match your socks to your trousers, or choose a shade in the same color family. This creates a longer, uninterrupted leg line, which instantly looks sharper and more put together. It also makes the transition from pant to shoe feel intentional, not accidental. Two reliable options are the Pantherella Danvers Cotton Lisle socks for a lightweight, refined look, and the Falk Airport Wool Blend socks for warmth with a sleek profile. Nail this small detail, and you'll be surprised at how much more cohesive your entire outfit feels. Chapter 11. Carry a bag that matches the season's weight. Your bag is more than just something that holds your laptop or gym gear. It's part of your outfit. And if you're still carrying the same canvas tote or nylon backpack you used all summer, it can look out of place once the heavier fabrics and deeper tones of fall take over. Think about it. A lightweight, brightly colored bag next to a wool overcoat and leather boots feels mismatched, like the two pieces were picked in different seasons. It's a small disconnect, but it subtly drags down the rest of your look. So instead, upgrade to something that matches the weight and tone of the season. A leather briefcase or a waxed canvas messenger bag will instantly feel more grounded and harmonious with your other fall pieces. Stick to colors like chocolate brown, tan, charcoal, or black for maximum versatility. One of my all-time favorites is the Filson Rugged Twill briefcase, built to last decades and perfect for work. And yes, it's also down below in the description. Make this swap, and your bag won't just be carrying your essentials, but it'll be carrying its share of your style too. Chapter 12. Make outerwear the focal point of your outfit. In fall and winter, your outerwear does more heavy lifting for your style than any other piece you own. It's the first thing people see, and sometimes the only thing they see when you're out in the colder months. Which is why playing it safe with the same plain jacket every day is a wasted opportunity. The problem isn't owning a simple coat, it's relying on it exclusively. When every outfit is finished with the same safe, neutral outer layer, you blend into the background. And in a season built on texture, color, and layering, that's a missed chance to make a strong style statement. The fix? Add one standout piece to your rotation. This doesn't mean going wild with colors or patterns. It's about finding something that turns heads for the right reasons. A camel overcoat instantly signals elegance. A deep green Harrington jacket adds personality without shouting. Even a patterned scarf layered over a simple coat can change the entire vibe. Two I'd recommend are the J. Crew Ludlow top coat in camel for a timeless statement, and the Cole Haan wool blend top coat in light gray for a more casual but equally distinctive option. When your outerwear makes an impression, the whole outfit feels elevated before you even take it off. Fall is the season where style works hardest for you. Richer colors, heavier textures, and layered looks make it easier than ever to look sharp. And these 12 hacks aren't about spending a fortune or reinventing your wardrobe. They're about making small, intentional changes that stack into a big difference. Start with one or two swaps. Maybe it's rotating in darker wash denim, adding a wool overshirt, or upgrading your outerwear to something that makes a statement. As these changes become habits, you'll find your fall style feeling effortless, not forced. If you want to grab any of the pieces I mentioned today, I've linked my top picks for each hack down in the description, so you can check them out for yourself. And while you're there, make sure to check out my free fall style guide. It's packed with even more tips to help you look your best this season. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fall style video I've got coming your way. I've got more seasonal tips, outfit breakdowns, and product recommendations you won't want to miss. Dress with intention this season and you'll look like the most confident man in any room.